All right. Good morning, family. Good morning, good morning. Be with you guys in just a moment here. Alright. Good morning, wonderful people. Or good morning again if you guys are just on the trade room live stream. Alright, family. Happy CPI day. Happy Where's the Inflation Day. Happy When Rate Cut Day. Happy Go Long Oil Day. Maybe we'll see if this produces something inside of here for us. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna take this. I might stop at 82. This candle pulled back enough yet? Before the open? Are we in the second 15-minute candle? We're not on the second 15-minute candle. Huh. I think this could run too if this does play. Probably not much more than this. This is not really a great risk to reward. Hopefully we can push back a little bit more, and then maybe we'll take this. Not happy with the RR on that though. Alright, let's go take a look at what NQ is doing real quick. Yeah, still hasn't taken out the no, I guess it took out the news low. But not from the low that printed before news anyway. And I suspect people here at the open will get trapped below 2850. We do want to continue our push for just further and further all-time highs. Gold is gonna be pretty untradeable today, I think. Yeah, oil is the only thing I'm watching to see if we can get something on this hour candle here. This is the new 15-minute as well. Still running for this 8170. I'd love it if I can maybe get down here if something prints, or if we erase this, I could try to run something a little tighter, but just for the risk to reward sake, but I would rather really not do that. Outside of that, family, that's what we're looking at. We're looking at potential little oil trade here. Not in this yet, keep that in mind. Alright, oil. There we go, baby. Form something down here for us. There we go. Give us something down here, baby girl. Just dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Get off my screen for now. Not a real explosive volume yet. Must have been more volume than we had here. Pretty low. Alright, now I think we're gonna not get the 8170 here. Or now get the 8170. Need some sort of explosive volume signal from these lower time frames. It looks like it would rather pierce the low, which is also fine. See what everything else is doing real quick. Gold, YM, NQ. Okay, little rebound from NQ. Still not open yet on the indices. Gold doing nothing. Yeah, now it's invalidating this 1 hour candle. Yeah, we would need a live OB or something to play below here now. We shall see if we get that into the open. Alright, nice. Volume picking up here. Picking up across all time frames? Not really. Yeah, indices again starting to recall. I would have rather have seen the NQ push down one more time. Again, we might still get it. Again, if people get stuck at the open, you'll get trapped at the open up here. Then maybe we can spill over from 930 to 10 below these lows, and then we can explore the idea of buying it maybe. Once all those early morning traders are taken out. Still nothing printing quite yet. Probably should have just traded into the 8170 down here, but it's alright. Dude, my computer is running so bad this morning. My apologies, fam. I don't know if it's impacting stream at all, but oh boy. This thing is not cooperating with me today. This is setting up good, I think, for a little bit after the open. Would love it if we can get a live OB in this area. We're in a good zone. Hey, what can Yeah, so hold on, question. Hold on, why is there nobody in chat, or is this just not showing me chat? Chat, where y'all at? Are you guys there? Am I even live? Am I even live? I don't even know if I'm live, man. Hold on, I gotta open up my own stream because it's not showing me any comments from chat, fam. Either that or y'all just quiet. That's cool. It's cool if you guys are. It's alright. It's alright if y'all are quiet. Oh, somebody's writing in the Discord. Yeah, y'all hear it. We are in chat. Okay. It's not showing me chat. I have to open up. Hold on. Let me open up my own live stream. They don't want to see us win. Where y'all at? Oh, there you guys are. I want to see an opening drive down in NQ. Yeah, me too. You don't view that as twin wicks? And if you're talking about the hourly wicks on oil, I was gonna say that when I was looking at them before, but I don't know. The one wick kind of was, you know, more of a fill than I would say twin. But the thought crossed my mind, bro. It just I had decided to not entertain it that much further. Yeah, I do like these oil buys though, off this area potentially. If we start reclaiming some of the price here, I'm gonna be pretty interested. Gotta see how this candle closes though. That or the 3 minute. We gotta close up here. I might have to just take a little stab because of the POI. It is pre-open, but we'll manage as we see fit. Yeah, we got some like 15-minute absorption into these levels. I like it. I do like it. Oh, I have to get used to switching chat because I can't. Where'd the hell chat go? My chart doesn't look like that. You might not be on the futures chart then. You might be on CFDs. Went on the 15-minute. Oh. Oh, because both twin wicks are a part of the hour. Okay. Yeah, I was looking at the 1 hour and I was like, I'm like, because twin wicks are generally a little bit longer than this too. Again, this is like, these are not really that big either, but yeah, no, you're right. On the 15-minute here, yeah, we definitely. I wasn't I wasn't aware of that. It doesn't look like we're gonna get a 5. It doesn't look like we're gonna get that 3-minute OB anyway. Did we? Oh, we did. Okay, let's watch this real quick. See how this candle reacts, see if we get confirmation. If not, then cool. We need to get back above this. I typically don't like 3 minutes, but 3-minute candles, but we'll watch it. You trading with a Forex broker? Absolutely not. No. No, we're on futures charts, brother. These are all futures charts. CL is a futures. This is all data that I pay for. Unfortunately. Nah, man, I don't do nothing with no Forex brokers no more. I only trade with futures, and I trade with TradeStation, AMP futures for my personal funds. One of those two. I've really been liking AMP futures so far. Lower margin requirements, which is nice. And then for prop firms, I strictly use Top Step. So, but yeah, I ain't doing nothing with no Forex, nothing. You might have seen me as I was going through my watch list, maybe like gold, but that's just because I'm hitting my arrow key on my keyboard, which is not my watch list has some Forex pairs in it. That would have been like maybe the only reason you've seen one. Yeah, shout out Top Step, man. Yo, listen, traders. I'm gonna need y'all to do me a favor. Drop in the chat, right? For those of you that like take trading seriously, or like actually at your desk, sitting, chilling, analyzing, trading. Right? What do you like? First off, if you drink coffee, what do y'all put it in, bro? I can't be sitting here with my shit in a mug no more. I need like a good ass thermos or something that keeps this shit warm. Dude, I be making a coffee, bro. I sit here, I swear, like 7 minutes goes by, I can't even drink this shit no more, bro. This is like lukewarm. That's nasty, dude. My coffee needs to be hot. Almost burned my tongue hot. I need to get some sort of mug or something that keeps this shit. So if y'all got any recommendations, man, let me know in the chat, cause your boy is tired of this. I even made a second coffee just because my first coffee went cold. I gotta stop doing this. Usually I'll get like an iced coffee or something in the morning. This is like not an issue. But when your hot coffee gets cold, dude, I cannot drink it. Nasty. Alright, oil's still not producing anything down here for us quite yet. Nothing that's confirming anyway. Hold on, let me move chat to my other monitor because I keep trying to open up my other monitor and y'all are not there. Ironically, I made an iced coffee today. Yeah, I've never made my own like iced coffee. I really just don't have any interest in it, honestly. It seems like a lot more work. I don't know. I also don't like the idea of brewing my coffee hot and then just icing it down to be cool. Even if that's how places make it that I go and buy it from. Even if that's how they make it, fuck it, so be it. I don't watch the process, so as far as I'm concerned, it makes no difference to me. But yeah, like at the house, like I can't just brew up a cup and then just ice it, bro. It just does not seem like the way for me to manage that. Alright, man, these markets gonna do something that we could trade. Come on, oil. You gonna produce something down here? Or we should have just scalped you to this level. What we should have did. Just scalp you to this level. Again, this is not a trade that we're in. Still waiting on a confirmation here. Do like the volume in that candle. 5 minutes starting to wick up. Okay. I think I'm gonna scale a little bit of risk in here as a force science position. I'm gonna run 8149, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna scale some in here. 8149. I'm sorry, yeah, 8149 is the stop. You could decide to wait if you want to wait a little bit more confirmation, but I'm gonna scale in just a little bit here and see if we start to formulate some demand. Let me just send this in the Discord as well, which if you're not in our Discord, at least the awesome free section of the community where you could ask me pretty much any question you want and get an answer. Scaling into a VO. Dun, 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 dun. 8177. Stop is 8149, was it? 49. We're still targeting 83. Still would like to see 83 get taken. Alright. So we're in this with why is that so huge? Alright, so we got some small skin in the game here. See how we develop here. Under this little 15-minute lone candle. Short gold? Short gold. I don't know about that one. What are you looking at? Got a little spike up, a little liquidity grab. What's NQ do? Alright, it's still kind of chilling. Doing too much. A little thermos. It's gotta be something better than that though, no? Gotta be something a little bit better than that. Q. Let's see, let's put you side by side real quick. Whoops, nope, not that. Let's go up at 265. It's just opened though. Hopefully we continue this momentum here. This is very nice. When's earnings on this? The 20 what? Just 23rd. So we're like 2 weeks out from Tesla earnings. I'm kind of hoping that Tesla earnings are a little disappointing, because again, we got in like the 180 range. Like 184 is like the Twitter price that I'd put out there. But I would welcome this to sell off some. Now that we're kind of just above some of these wicks in the supply, I would welcome a pullback to like 230s. Ideally the beat on like deliveries pushes us to 310 and above, which is like the plan. But I would welcome a little bit of just a healthy pullback here. Definitely would not be opposed to it. See how some of the other bigger name stocks are doing here at the open. Alright, Nvidia back up to 134. I think she's gonna be a range. Hopefully she goes range bound. No, not it's Tesla again. Meta up at 530s. Apple pushing 231. Very nice. Very nice. Honestly, this might even be. Fuck this up. Is this performing? Oh, it's not performing better than Tesla. Alright, cool. We don't care then. We good. We're chilling. Alright, oils. Slight drawdown for us still. Alright, no cap. I'm sorry, fam. I'm gonna have to change his music though, I think. I was vibing to this. I'm no longer vibing to this. I don't even know what the hell we're listening to there. Man, we're public too. Do we want a copyright strike? The things I do for y'all, man. I'll put on some Rufus too, so. I'm gonna eat the copyright strike for everybody. Thank me in the chat. Alright, gold moving down, NQ coming down for those, like I said, those like lower 850s. We'll watch this again into 9:30, 10 o'clock to see if you can get some nice continuations off the fact that all the pre-market people and all the early 9:30 people kind of got trapped up here. Or, well, more or less here, so. Again, they're run on liquidity. I'll see if some demand comes in there. Oil still just sitting at the 81.74 range. Well, apart from a thermos, some of the folks in the office at work have a little tabletop heater or heat pad. I don't know, but it basically only gets hot when you have a cup on top of it. Okay, that sounds fire. That sounds like more up my alley. Like I put my coffee right on this like little like heating pad, like a little heating fuck them things called, bro. Whatever. The shit you put the shit you put your cup on, bro, so you don't get fucking, you know, water stains everywhere on your desk like I have. Condensation stains. But anyway. Nah, that would be fire. If that actually works, though. I feel like that comes with, like, a special cup, you know? I feel like that just wouldn't work with just, like, any old mug. Maybe it does. I'm gonna look into that. That sounds fire. I could put that right here. Actually, you know what, though? The last thing that I need on my desk is anything with more cables. I do not need more wires or cables on my desk. So, maybe not. And keep pushing for that liquidity. Gold moving down into some of the inefficiencies here. So it'll be interesting to see if gold just like kind of kisses the inefficiency, or if she fills it all out. I don't believe in anything else. Again, videos on the channel that break that down, but I don't believe in the 50% stuff. Not that you can't get some trades off that level. I'm sure you could, but it doesn't align with the way that I believe about inefficiencies in markets. Which, if you have other beliefs, that's fine. It's not a problem. Oil is still not really doing anything for us. Hopefully we didn't pick the wrong pair. NQ would like immediate reactions off that. I would maybe expect 10 AM to fill this out. New hour candle fills that out. Maybe you could stab something. If it doesn't come back, then that sucks, but... Spot didn't even answer me, what the hell? Alright, Nasdaq, pretty good. Oil, still just chilling. Scan my account? I don't like that. Fuck this bot. No. Don't scan my Telegram account. That sounds dangerous. I use Telegram. No, not doing this. Go away, bot. No. Don't do it. Alright. Oil is still just sitting down here, man. Doesn't seem like it's gonna be a good little zone. I don't think we're gonna scale in fully on this, at least based off what I'm currently seeing. There's a lot of absorption, but that by itself is just, I don't know if that's gonna cut it. NQ does look interesting. I think, again, I would only take this at 10 AM if we fill this wick at 28.52. You know, early in the 10 AM open candle, I would I would entertain that. I don't know, that little sweep, I don't think it's enough. I don't think it's enough for me as a one and done. So to see what becomes of that. Nah, they just put regular mugs on them. Yeah, we'll have to see about that. Alright, oil ticking around at break even there. I don't know, I hate when, hold on, let me switch these around. I hate how this doesn't carry over what we're looking at. Stupid. Alright, oil, we're looking alright. Again, we have just a reduced risk entry right now. So far, so good. Primarily playing this, the liquidity grab of that lone candle. Plus some absorption and some other stuff. We didn't have any live OBs or really any erase execution models either. You can maybe say you're forming a 3-minute right now, but I would probably refer to it as more of a demand candle. Anybody in oil with me? Out of curiosity, let me get a quick little roll call. Drop your favorite emoji in the chat if you guys are in oil with me. Pick wisely, by the way. I might judge you a little bit off your favorite emoji. Here, I'll drop mine too. Actually, well, I'm gonna drop 2 because I'm fucking. It's like an emoji combination, so judge me if you want, but I'll drop mine though. You see this somewhere on the internet? It's probably me. It's probably me. The alien who comes in peace, man. Well, it's not really peace fingers, it's fingers crossed, but that's what an alien would do. An alien would be like, oh, I come in peace. Like, cross their fingers. Then blast you with a rifle. What do we got? We got the little nerd face, okay. I fuck with it. The tongue out emoji? Okay, Mark. Mark's like, yeah, I'm just a fun, silly guy. That's all. Just a fun little silly guy. Alright, Oil, let's go, baby. What's that little push up? I call everybody little, bro. I have the right to do that. Come on now. Now, as an expert in the field, Mark. I got an 8172. Yeah, you guys have a slightly better. I kind of scaled in, so my entry is not the most ideal. Holding out for these NQ buys for the real money. Okay, yeah, NQ's still pushing lower, man. I mean, honestly, NQ could do whatever the fuck it wants at this point. I closed my profits on it earlier, so I'm good. Chilling on it. Get this oil trade. We'll wrap up our week with 2 break-evens, 2 wins. Hopefully, maybe this breaks us even. That would suck. But, if we could end our week with 2 break-evens, 2 wins, no losses, it's a pretty good week. You know, yesterday we called a 1-5. This is, you know, potentially a 1-4. So, ending the week with like a 1-9 total return. With the two break-evens / minor losses, depending on where you necessarily had your stops, but yeah, so far so good, man. Again, want to see what 10 a.m. brings, because whenever we leave like a wick behind like this on the hour, there's always a chance like the wick fills. That's just what we have to expect, which is also why I won't go break even on this quite yet. Again, you guys can make your own decisions. You're all grown folks managing your own money, you know, as you guys see fit. So I ain't gonna tell you what to do. But I'm chilling right now, as it is. So, y'all all grown, you guys could all make your big boy decisions there. That's crazy though, only 3 people took the trade with 16, 17 people on the call. I see y'all, it's all good. Y'all came here to watch me lose money. I can respect it. I can respect it. Maybe I still do lose money. Maybe y'all get your... Y'all could take your little screenshots and y'all could expose me on Twitter for losing money or some bullshit. whatever the fake traders do. Whatever the people that are not ballsy enough to trade live do. To stab at Naz? Let's take a look at Naz while Oil over there does its thing. That's not a terrible idea, man. Again, now that a lot of people probably flushed out below these levels, again, much like Oil, it's not a terrible spot to start stabbing if you want to put some risk in. I would just say I would probably want like a lower time frame climactic sell volume. Again, I'd probably play this easy because we don't really have anything forming down here yet. But I would probably wait to see if we can get a close above this candle and then just risk something like this. Could try something like that. Again, I would rather try betting on these continuing than I would for them falling, especially on a day where inflation fell down to 3%. and core came from 3.4 to 3.3. Like, fuck the bears, dude. Like, if you're a bear with that type of release, you are insane. And again, price spilling over and like liquidating people is not the same thing as, oh, it's, you know, it's a bad news result. It's not a bad news result. It's a fucking fantastic news result. Cuts are coming. Unemployment is ticking up. Inflation is ticking down. You're insane. Insane if you're trying to bet against indices. Again, just because shit moves down don't mean nothing. And if you made money off the shorts, cool. Like, congratulations. I'm not even trying to take away from that, but it's like, I'd rather lose on this than any other setup, I think. So if you did take a stab at that, bro, enjoy. Hopefully that runs for you. I'm just not gonna open up and manage that many positions. I already have this oil, so I'm kind of just chilling. I'm also going to tighten up my risk on this. I'm going to reduce my stop loss to 81.62. So worst case scenario, we're saving about 45% loss, which I think is a great way to kind of manage the money. So it's like, even if we do take an L, it's half of what we normally would have taken. So I'm going to adjust my stop loss here to 81.60. Yeah, not gonna quite go break even yet. But I tell you guys, man, you don't always have to jump from, you know, complete risk to risk-free. If you can reduce your risk, that's a great thing to be able to do. Same thing with like this. Like if this started breaking structure and you were able to reduce this in half, again, it's not a terrible thing to be able to do that. So we were to tighten up our stop loss here by 50% almost. Which, again, I take as a win, man. It's a small progressive win as the trade begins to move in our direction. It allows you to do some stuff later, you know? Allows you to maybe put a half risk in later, or, you know, just accept the fact that you only lost half, or whatever you ultimately decide in your own trading. Yeah, we're gonna see what we get here at 10 a.m. Again, actually, the biggest problem with this is still the wick fill now, is because... So we might have to give it a little bit more room. Like 57 maybe. It'd be more like a 30% reduction. But I'll stay committed to the 81.60 for now. Alright, well 10 a.m. just opened, so we shall see what we get here. Just see how the hour closed on NASDAQ. Ugly as all hell, of course. And then the hour on oil, not a big fan that this opened up immediately. Typically not what we want to see, because now you're leaving no wick to the downside. So I would still expect this to push down. Not that every candle needs a wick on both sides, as you can see, like this candle here is, you know, no test down, but definitely not what you prefer to see when you're in a trade. I would have preferred to see this push down, if anything, and then start to kind of close away. Now it's kind of like, starts coming down and erasing this candle. It's not gonna look great. But nonetheless, we'll see how this develops here. Again, I'm not in this NQ, by the way. Only in the oil position. Let's see what we got. I'm risk-free. If it comes back, I'll expect a wick fill. I think we get another little dump lower. Shall see. You know, I'm at the point where I don't really care what NASDAQ does, specifically. Okay, yeah, so oil turning around a little bit. And Q starting to push back up. How many of you guys are in NQ longs? How many of you jumped in? I know Danny jumped in. Curious if anybody else is looking at that. Yep, and oil, like I said, bro, that stupid fucking that 10 a.m. open, dude. See if we get this full wick fill here. Song a vibe though. As we watch the market do close to nothing here at 10 a.m. Actually, you know what? What were the jobless claims numbers? 1852. Initial 222. Okay. Yeah, this wants the wick fill, huh? Really don't want to add risk back. I think I'd rather just end my day if you're gonna stop me out. Add a little bit to cover the wick. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna see what happens. I don't mind wrapping up my week here with a reduced risk loss. If that's gonna be my fate. I'll be a little annoyed if it does still play out, but we've had an alright week, so I'm not gonna stress over it if it does. As should be with any and all trades. Tried that same thing, brother. That don't work. I tried the life of turning an iPad into your main computer. It just does not work. Actually, does anybody in chat trade off of an iPad? I'm curious. I always liked the idea of like running like a trading stream off of an iPad. I don't currently have one, otherwise I would try. But I would love to be able to mark up with the pen on like charts, like just to be able to like write and like annotate. But there's also a lot that is just really annoying on an iPad. I used to love MetaTrader on an iPad. So MetaTrader on an iPad you had like multiple screens. It's like it's fantastic, honestly. But I no longer use MetaTrader, so I don't really have a need for that. Yeah, NQ's still not really producing anything there. Oil probably gonna take me out. I did adjust my stop a little bit to 81.57, but I don't think that's going to be the difference between surviving and losing. I think if it fills the wick, we're going to just get taken out entirely. We're chilling at break even for right now. We swipe this little... Oh, we did, huh? And maybe she just don't want 83, man. It's possible. Yeah, we should have traded this the other way today. When it was up here, we knew it was gonna come to 81.70. We should have just came. We should have just shorted. It's alright though. I know people on YouTube enjoy watching other people lose money, so enjoy the entertainment. Pretty much giving back what I made on NQ, so I'm gonna end up being flat on the day. Slightly unfortunate. We're still up on the week though, that's all that matters. You're long NQ now? When did you send that? 8:31? Yeah, again, I mean, I think these just fill wicks, bro. It's tough for me to assume that's not gonna fill that out. Same thing with oil, it's like... I would expect it to fill out, especially at 10 AM. Yep, seal up, there it is. I kinda wish oil would do that so I could just end stream and go enjoy my day. But... he wants to sit around and make it torture. Come on, just take us out so I can go do anything else. Restart this shitty PC. Dude, this bot still did not answer me, huh? What the hell? Oh, wow. Okay, well, stupid bot. Let's see, I have legendary status on Telegram. I joined Telegram 9 years ago. I'm in the top 5% of Telegram users. Okay. Gas me up. What's good? You're amazing. Here's your dog's reward. 6,510 dog tokens. These guys really just gave me 6,510 dog tokens. And these are 4 cents a piece. So how much money did y'all just give me for my 9 years on Telegram? At 4 cents a piece? 260 bucks? I mean, 260 bucks off being an OG Telegram user? Okay. Okay. Shit, I'll take it. Alright, oil still chilling here, getting some little bit more strength. Okay, NASDAQ just still tanking. RIP to the NASDAQ. This is kind of funny to see on a day where inflation came out at 3%. This is kind of like this is kind of fucking funny. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's good. This is borderline hilarious to me. This is really like an example of what happens when you wait for inflation numbers to come out lower before you get long the NASDAQ. It's like people are like, oh, inflation's getting better. Time to buy stocks. Again, I'm still bullish. Don't get me wrong. I just think it's funny that, you know, the one day where price pressure is starting to push down is the day where inflation inherently got better. Gold is not following this same book. Gold's like, NASDAQ, I don't give a fuck what you're doing, bro. We're not on the same page there. Tesla pushing 268. Let's go though. I couldn't really tell you what's holding the NASDAQ back, other than probably itself. But oil is still working out, back up at 82, chilling for now, and still just waiting and watching here. Got smoked in NQ, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of crazy on a day that inflation came out. Are they all doing this? Is I imagine. Okay, so yes, not as aggressive. The Dow was pushing higher, so probably just a little bit of a rotation of money. Yeah, see, this did what you. Was this 830? Oh, this was 930. Okay, so this did what you would have expected the NASDAQ to have done, right? This is exactly what you would probably have expected the NASDAQ to have done. Something is holding the NASDAQ back. But again, this took out all the liquidity from basically that pre-market, pre-news kind of move, and then just continued up. So it's kind of funny that NASDAQ just has solo decided to fucking collapse on its face there. Honestly, hilarious. Not hilarious to those of you that lost money on it. That my condolences to y'all, but I think from a market dynamic standpoint, that's kind of fucking funny. Alright, if oil breaks above these highs at 82.10, I'm gonna go break even. We'll probably wrap up the day there. Shout out to y'all that were trading this with me. Back potentially back-to-back wins. Let me not get too excited here. But we're looking potentially better here. In fact, it's probably gonna go right to stop loss. Let me not hype it up. The second I do that, the market's gonna be like, you want to see some cool shit, and then just tank. So we gonna chill again. We still long in this oil. The Mag 7 are red as fuck. Are they? Like, are they all? I mean, I would imagine with NQ running like this. Let's consider the Magnificent 7. What do we have? Apple is down 2%. Okay, that's not crazy. Meta Okay, meta is definitely down. I was like 2%. Okay, well, I guess the combined efforts of all of these. What do we have? Is Amazon in that fucking dumb list? What else is in there? Alphabet, Google, whatever the fuck it is. These are like not even really down, dude. But these are like this is an over exaggeration. These are not any lower than like yesterday's closing price. Again, like you can make the argument, okay, they're down 2%. Like, I guess. I don't know. Stocks they always overreact like that. I don't know. That's not a. YenQ though, just not having it. At this point, you know what's also happening to the YenQ is this is like cascading liquidity now too, because this just sets off. It just sets off a bunch of order flow type shit. Whereas like once you start breaking below here, you start filling the inefficiencies again. And it's just a game of everybody that's now in this range, you know, starts to fucking panic. So it just becomes like a self-fulfilling prophecy until you reach, you know, demand that's a little bit more sustainable, which probably is below here. But again, I wouldn't be trying to trade this, I don't think. Yeah, this is now just cascading liquidity on itself. Which is going to be double-edged, because at some point, the people that are, again, selling into this are going to make this so thin that the recovery is going to bring it right back up to like 780. So if you are trading below this liquidity, it may not be a good idea. I don't know. So it's really up to you. I mean, again, the Dow, I think, is still like pushing. Trying to push anyway. Slowing down a little bit. So I wouldn't be surprised that, again, if all this cascading liquidity here on NQ does provide a little bit of a bounce. But again, not going to take it because I'm chilling here in this oil trade, which is just a little bit blue. Again, I'm hoping we can get above this 82.10 so we could just go break even and call this day here. Oh, come on, oil. Do something for us here, baby. Oh, Japan intervened in the FX markets during the CPI? That's crazy work. No wonder why UJ fell so much. That's crazy work, bro. They intervened, that's nuts. Yeah, it doesn't look like oil is gonna do anything for us at this point. I probably should have paid closer attention to NASDAQ after I accidentally closed up there. A lot of movement. Just nothing that helped us out. The gold pullback was something we should have paid attention to. Yeah, fam, I don't think these markets are gonna do anything that's gonna really have me excited here. Oil probably gonna just take me out for a reduced loss, which is fine. But I'll update y'all on the Discord on what happens on this. This might be the first. Shut up, whoever that is. That the music's ending too, so interesting. But yeah, family, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. I'll update you guys in the Discord if anything, but I don't think this is really gonna work out. I'll wrap up my week there with a reduced loss, 2 break-evens, and a 1-5 win. So, pretty successful week if you ask me. Yeah, fam, I'm gonna wrap it up there. Love and appreciate y'all. This is your boy Skag. I'm out. I'm gonna go take a fucking nap. Love y'all. Peace.
Truth hurts and always shows up dead lives when the party is over. Wouldn't you just know it? Two birds, one stone, one's cast and one's thrown. You can't undo it. You're gonna wear me out. You're gonna wear me out. Just know it.